Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. This is Henry and today May the 1st. So today's start of the day is the S&P 500 SPX 60 minutes time frame here, guys. So you can see we ended with 2 here, intermediate degree on late last March. This is the same low across different indices out there, right? And then since then SPX managed to break to new all-time high. Okay, and the rally is definitely an impulse, and we are looking for this cycle from late last March to complete soon, maybe with a few more highs. So again, chasing at the moment is not really recommended because cycle is mature, but selling is even worse idea, right? If anybody wants to pick the top, that's even a worse idea. So I think the best way is really to wait for the cycle to finish, and then once that is finished, you will get a bigger previous pullback to correct the entire rally like this APC, and that will present another buying opportunity. Okay, so if I go to the daily, this is with 2, I'm gonna copy it right here. So this is the low and the 1 is here, right? And that will be the pullback because of the news of the war, right? If you follow the news all the time and just look at fundamentals and so on, well, you'll just be lost and you don't understand why it keeps making new high, right? Now this low from April last year ended here, this pullback ended here. Now we start a new leg to the upside in the wave 3 now. In the regular market, right? In the regular market, usually wave 3 can go to at least 100% or even higher, right? But at least 100%. So it's still a long way to go. And here, this rally is going to be ending with 1. Later, when we finish 5 in black, it will end the 1 in red. So that's a 1 of 3. That's a 1 of 3, and then you get a 2 of 3, right? 3 of 3, 4 of 3, 5 of 3, and that will end 3 right here, right? So that's kind of the path, okay, going forward, and therefore it is currently bullish against the late last March, but chasing is not really a good idea. Selling is the worst idea. Okay, so then that means the best way is really to wait for the bigger pullback to correct this cycle. Now if we are starting the bigger pullback, how do you know that is the bigger pullback you're looking for? Very simple. If the pullback, the 3 swings pullback at least reaches 38.2% of the entire rally, then that's gonna be the pullback you're looking for, the wave 2. But if the pullback is very shallow, like this, that's not your wave 2, right? You cannot completely correct this entire rally in just this tiny 3 waves, right? It has to be proportional to the size of the rally. Alright, so that's the idea for today, and as always, if you want to get more updates, feel free to check our service. We got a 14-day trial. You can use the link in the description, or we also run the spring promotion right now, so you can save some by subscribing to any plan that we have. So I'll see you all again next time. Have a nice day to you all.